Hi everyone, it's Sandy. Thank you for joining me. This is just a quick video and it's a follow-up video from my last video where I shared with you this adorable zigzag pocket mini folder, and it's a how-to video and it's a really simple little project if you are wanting to make a little mini pocket folder to store some tags. And in that video I had mentioned in one of the pockets I had placed one of these really cute mini file tab note cards, and I was going to give you the measurements on how to make one of these if you wanted to add one into the pocket of the zigzag pocket folder. And I forgot to give you the measurements and the how-to on making one of these file tab note cards, and so I'm going to come on here and share with you the measurements and how easily it is you can make one of these. And you can make these in under 5 minutes, and you can make a stack of them, and you could use them for your craft fairs and package them. I've made a pack of 4 here, which is just an idea for you, and you can add some twine or your favorite trim and gift this for a Happy Mail, or you could sell it in your craft fair. I may even make a few of these and have these available in my shop if you wanted to use the ones that I've made for your projects or for you to gift. So here's a couple more that I made. So easy, and I'm going to show you how to make it with the scoreboard and without the scoreboard if you want to just make it really quickly. So all you need is a piece of paper, and you want to cut your paper at 4 3/4 inch by 3.5 inches. So I have 2 here. I'm going to do one with the scoreboard, one without the scoreboard, and it's so easy, and they just look so adorable. And you can make this in any height you like. So I think in the video I had mentioned you can make the zigzag pocket folder in any height you like, and the length will be the same and your measurements and score lines are the same. It's just your height would be different. So this one here is the 4 inch in height. So I'm going to make the mini folder to fit inside the height of this pocket. So if you made your folio or your zigzag folder in a 6 inch height, you just decide the height of your folder to be. But you probably want to make it a little bit less than 6 inches, so maybe about 5.5 inches. That way it doesn't stick out above the height of your folder, but you can make it any height you like. So I just thought I'd mention that just in case you're making the taller one. So what I'll do first, I'll use the scoreboard first, and then I'll do one without the scoreboard. If you're too lazy to use the scoreboard, it will still come out the same. So this is single-sided paper, and you're going to line your paper on the 4 3/4 inch side, and we're going to do one score line, and you're going to score it at 2 1/8 inch, which is the little score line just past that 2 inch mark. So we'll just do that score line at 2 1/8 inch, and that's it. And then we're going to fold this over. You grab your scissors, and we are going to cut about 1/8 inch from the edge of the cover. So I'm just going to go about here, about 1/8 inch, and I'm going to cut about halfway, or just a little bit over halfway, and you're going to stop there. So I'm just going to do a straight cut, and using the edge of the cover as my guide. So I've just stopped it there, and I'm just going to angle cut that along where I stopped the cut. Oops, I didn't do a good cut there, but there we go. And you can then leave it like that, and there is your file tab note card all ready to go. If you don't have a corner round a punch, that's still fine, but I'm just going to corner around that corner just to tidy that up. And there is your file tab note card. So easy and so adorable. Now if you want to make it without the scoreboard, what you're going to do here, you're going to do exactly the same as how we made the cut. We'll do the cut first before we fold the paper. So this way, in this instance, I'm going to cut about 1/4 inch in from the edge. So about here is fine. So I'm doing the same. I'm going to do a straight cut as I can and stop about halfway or a little bit more. It's up to you. And do the same angle cut that. And there we have a tab shape, and I'll corner around that corner. And then we'll bring this side over, and when you bring it over, you want to fold it just a little bit below the edge of where you made the cut. You can go and line it up if you like. It's up to you if you want to line it up. I like to leave mine just a little bit out. So there is your file tab no card without the scoreboard. If you want a nicer straight cut, you can use your paper trimmer, and all you do is just line your paper where you want to make your cut with your paper trimmer. And there are the ways to make the cute little file tab note card, and they will fit perfectly inside your zigzag mini pocket folder. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye for now.